Trying out Velcro eyelids to see if it'll work better than magnets. Someone wanted to see how Velcro would work, so I'm making this video. Draw out the pattern. Measure to the face to see if it looks right. Draw it out on fur and felt. Shave. Realized I drew it in the wrong fur direction, lol. Cut off some of the bottom of the paper for the eyelash. Now that I finally have the Velcro, you should use the rough part of it. I might use the soft part for covers for the eyelids so they don't get ruined, but I'm not sure yet. Cut them in strips. Like this. Hot glue them on. Here is the finished product. Special thanks to Werewolfrin666 for the tutorial on this wobble test to see if they stay on. And they come right off, so if you think it'll rip with Velcro, nope. The suit is not finished yet, BTW, this isn't the final part of it.